Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 122. The data area passed to a system call is too small. Error insufficient buffer on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the possible solutions. Open control panel in your system and under available control panel items, open program and features and go to your problematic or app or programs having issues. Simply select it, find out that problematic apps, select it and choose uninstall. And after that, reinstall a fresh version of that app or programs and try to launch them. The second workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Here go to Windows Update from the left side and click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error.